guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word вопрос, or question. The O in the first syllable sounds like an ah-flavored schwa. Let's say it with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Va. Va. Now think of the phrase, put a sock in it. For my international audience, this is a fun way to say be quiet in English. Let's say it really fast. Put a sock in it. Put a sock in it. The T in put is just like a flipped Russian Let's practice the first two words in the phrase. Put a. And now emphasize the A and make the U almost disappear. Pura. This is very close to the P and in the second syllable of our word. Let's use it to get a running start. Pura, прос. Pura, прос. Pura, прос. In English, the letter O closes to an oo sound. O. But Russian does the opposite. It opens either from an O to an ah sound or from an oo to an o sound. O. It's not pros, but jo tang lips. Прос. Now the whole thing. Jo tang lips. Va. Прос. Va. Прос. Вопрос. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!